We have all been there. You wake up feeling heavy, sluggish, and dealing with that stubborn morning bloat that just refuses to go away. You reach for your phone, start scrolling, and suddenly you are seeing it everywhere. Swoosh, swoosh. Every wellness influencer, nutritionist, and fitness guru on your feed is talking about the exact same thing, the viral internal shower drink. But what exactly is it? And more importantly, does it actually live up to the massive hype? Today, we are diving deep into the science, the preparation, and the real-world results of this incredibly simple morning routine. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it, the crucial mistakes you need to avoid, and why this simple 3-ingredient concoction might just be the ultimate reset button your digestive system has been begging for. Stick around, because this might change your mornings forever.
So, what exactly goes into an internal shower? The beauty of this incredibly popular detox drink lies in its absolute simplicity. You do not need expensive supplements or complicated blenders. All you need are 3 basic ingredients that you probably already have sitting in your kitchen right now. First, we have fresh, pure water, the foundation of all cellular hydration. Next, a bright, organic lemon, packed with vitamin C and digestive aiding properties. And finally, the undisputed star of the show, chia seeds. Now, these tiny black seeds might not look like much at first glance, but they are ancient nutritional powerhouses. Used by Aztec and Mayan warriors for sustained energy, chia seeds are absolutely loaded with soluble fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids. When combined, these 3 elements create a highly synergistic elixir designed to flush out your system gently and naturally.
Let us get down to the actual chronological preparation of the internal shower. Timing and temperature are everything here. Start your morning by pouring yourself a large glass of pure filtered water. You want to aim for about 8 to 10 ounces. Now here's a pro tip. Make sure the water is at room temperature or slightly warm. Icy cold water can actually shock your digestive system and slow down the enzymatic processes we are trying to activate. Next, grab a fresh lemon, cut it perfectly in half, and squeeze the juice of that entire half directly into your water. The citric acid from the lemon juice not only adds a refreshing zest to wake up your palate, but it also mimics the natural acidic environment of your stomach, signaling to your gastrointestinal tract that it is time to wake up and get moving. Now comes the absolute most critical step of the entire process, adding our superstar ingredient. Take exactly 2 tablespoons of high-quality chia seeds and gently drop them into your lemon water. Plop, plop, plop. As they hit the water, you will see them start to swirl around. This is where I have to pause and give you a vital piece of advice. The quality of the chia seeds you use will make or break your internal shower experience. Cheaper, processed seeds often fail to absorb water properly and can actually cause more bloating. That is why I exclusively use the premium raw organic chia seeds that I have linked right down in the description below. They are sustainably sourced and yield the absolute best gel consistency every single time. Give the glass a really good, vigorous stir to ensure the seeds do not clump together at the bottom. Here is where the true chronological magic happens, and it requires a little bit of patience. Do not drink it immediately. You must set the glass aside and wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes. During this resting period, a fascinating biological process occurs. Chia seeds are highly hydrophilic, meaning they love water. As they soak in the lemon water, they begin to absorb up to 12 times their own weight in liquid. The outer layer of the seeds slowly expands and develops a thick, mucilaginous, gel-like coating. This specific gel formation is exactly what you want. This is the shower part of the internal shower. This fibrous gel acts like a soft, gentle sponge or broom that will travel through your digestive tract, sweeping away trapped waste, toxins, and leftover debris from the foods you ate the day before.
All right, the 15 minutes are up. Take a look at your glass. The consistency has completely transformed from a simple glass of water into a thick, suspension-like elixir. Before you take your first sip, give it one final thorough stir to redistribute any chia seeds that may have settled. Now it is time to drink up. Down the hatch. The texture is definitely unique. It is thick, slippery, and reminiscent of a light boba tea or a very thin pudding. It might take a day or two to get used to the mouthfeel, but the burst of zesty lemon makes it incredibly refreshing. The absolute best time to consume this is first thing in the morning, completely on an empty stomach. This ensures that the chia gel passes through your digestive system unobstructed, maximizing its sweeping, detoxifying effects before you introduce your breakfast. So what happens after you finish your glass? The chronological effects of the internal shower usually kick in within a few hours. As you go about your morning, that soluble chia fiber moves through your intestines, lubricating your digestive tract and promoting smooth, natural motility. By midday, you are going to notice a significant reduction in that stubborn belly bloat. You will likely experience a very healthy, effortless bathroom visit. Beyond just digestion, because chia seeds are incredibly satiating, you will find yourself feeling comfortably full, effectively curbing those mid-morning cravings for sugary snacks. Plus, the deep hydration from the water and the flush of vitamin C from the lemon will leave your skin looking noticeably more radiant and your energy levels feeling incredibly stable, without the sudden crash you get from a second cup of coffee.
The internal shower is not just a fleeting social media trend. It is a genuinely effective, science-backed way to support your gut health and start your day feeling light and energized. If you have been struggling with bloating, sluggish digestion, or just feeling stuck, I highly encourage you to give this a try for at least one full week. But remember, the results are entirely dependent on the ingredients you use. Do not sabotage your morning routine with subpar seeds. Click the link in the video description right now to get an exclusive subscriber discount on the exact premium organic chia seeds I used in this video. Trust me, your gut will thank you. If you found this chronological breakdown helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more daily wellness hacks, and let me know in the comments if you are going to try the internal shower tomorrow morning.